in action. We're back in the action, boys. Now I want to start off this video with a simple vow to you guys. Similar to a vow you'll make one day when you get married, that inevitably gets broken off the night of before you even get to lay her. Who even waits till marriage anyway? Not to mention the reaction of her dad when he finds out the marriage ended after a night. Oh, I can't believe you break vows with my daughter. Bitch, she broke up with me. I did nothing. Well, you did cheat on her, NameBran. Then you gotta sit the dude down being like, bruh, I hate to break the news to you, but honeymoon night, and don't get me wrong, this is her fault because she never showed me this before. She pulls down her top and has 3 tits, sir. Y'all ever have to break the news to a father that his daughter has 3 tits? All of a sudden, we're both standing there with an unexplainable half a chub, really not knowing how to react to the situation. I didn't spend the rest of my life with no 3 booby bitch, sir. Anyway, that's not the topic here, man. As promised, I wanted to make a vow to you guys. So this has been something that's been on my mind for a little while now, and yesterday I almost finished up my new Supreme room. Now, if you guys don't know Supreme room, of course you do, 2.0 is coming real soon. Now, the difference with this Supreme room, besides the layout, is I'm taking out all the fake Supreme and I'm putting in everything real, the craziest hype pieces that y'all have ever seen. Now, this is where it comes into play, man. I hate buying the fake stuff that we do on the channel. I never liked it. Y'all, if you see me in person, I'm never wearing fake stuff. I always got my real Supreme on. I like dressing fly. But at one point on the channel, we got to this rut where everyone wanted to see this fake stuff. And that's what I kept doing. I kept buying this fake stuff and buying it and buying it. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not going to stop in terms of the Instagram ad buying series. If it comes out to be fake, that will always continue. But that's the only time you will ever see fake stuff on the channel. And I've really been reading comments, and I think a lot of people agree with me right now. This thing has been burning in my soul like a devil with balls. Not that all devils don't have balls, but this one had big balls, bro. I felt it in my throat. Don't ask me what was in my mouth. So that's the news. I'm taking a vow to you guys right now. There's no more fake stuff on the channel. I don't want to be known as this dude with fake stuff anymore, except for this. We're still doing the cool Supreme customs. They ain't never made that. That's not fake. It's just dope. God, this room looks sick. Anyway, I'm tired of that. I want to be the Supreme God of YouTube, is what I'm trying to say. And y'all will see it when the Supreme room comes out. And y'all will also see with hopefully the pickups in today's video. We'll get into why I'm saying hopefully. But that's the vow to you guys. I want y'all to know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. And y'all are the GOATs. Now let's get into the backstory of this real quick. We have a really sick package here that I can't wait to unbox. It's also a mystery to me, which makes my wee go from here to, well, okay, let's get realer. From here to here, because I'm kind of scared. Now y'all know on Instagram, if you guys follow me, always on my story, I'm like, yo, I'm buying your Supreme pieces. If you guys have any cool accessories for my room, I'm a cop it PayPal ready. Now some dude hit me up. Now he claimed he used to work with Supreme, and I'm sorry if you're watching this, man. I'm not believing you. If you say it, I'm gonna take your word for it. Anyway, he said he used to work for Supreme. He lives in New York, and therefore he's come up with this insane Supreme collection over his time. Now he said to me, NameBran, I want to sell you some stuff, but I want it to be dope. I don't want you to even know what I'm sending you. Now this right here got me tickling in my throat a little bit. Once again, the devil's balls were back. This time it was a good tickle. He said, man, I'm gonna hook you up with the Supreme quote-unquote mystery box. Just give me $300 and trust me on this. Now, I went to this dude's page and he actually had a lot of Supreme. It wasn't like some little kid telling me this stuff. It was like, I don't know, he was mid-20s. It looked trustable. It looked trusting. So I'm like, you know what, dude? I'll send you the PayPal with buyer protection. If I come out to get scammed, I'll get my money back. It's all Gucci. But I'ma trust you, bro. And now he just sent us a package that we about to unbox, boys. So without further ado, boys, we got the package in hand, the Supreme mystery box. And let's see what's in this, man. Once again, if there's anything, it's actually quite light. If there's anything in this that can go in the Supreme room, you'll see it real soon. NameBran, how the mother of dick you about to open up that package, you puss? Well, cause you said it that way, man, I'm gonna unbox it off camera. Don't ever call me that again. Whoa! My man! This is worth way more than, I think this is worth more than $300, absolutely. Oh my god! The Supreme room's about to be lit! I see one item and I'm stoked! Oh my god, dude! I'm never even seen one of these in person. All right, let's go, boys. Ah! Oh my God, no, I'm gonna save that for last. Let's see what else is in here. First thing we got, boys. I actually already own one of these, but it's all Gucci. I can have this one too. We got the Supreme Night Light right here, dude. Right on. I think this thing's going for a whopping like 40 bucks, which is ridiculous. It's already 40 out of 300. Stop looking at what's there. We got the Supreme Night Light right here. Not too much to say. It's like that. It looks like a little lightsaber or a butt plug, whatever you like. Or a butt plug. Wait, no, it looks like a devil's dick. Shit. Jokes, bad. Don't make the memes. Anyway, Supreme Night Light, not too much to say about that. Thank you, man. Super dope for the accessory. I'll have 2 now, or I'll just give one away. I'm not sure yet. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Next up, boys, we got a Supreme water bottle. Also, never seen one of these in person. Wow, these are going for like 110. Maybe I haven't even been used, dude. My God, man. This is so sick. I'm trying to work on all red mostly for my accessories, so this is super, super dope. We got the Supreme water bottle. I think these are going for about 80 to 100 depending on where you go or depending on if it gets shipped to you. Supreme water bottle right here. It's actually worse quality than I ever would have thought. It also didn't come with the box that it's supposed to come with, sir. Just kidding, it's fine. I'm good. Thank you so much for this, man. This might not even be a 10-minute video. I just want to get through this. Okay, it might be with this next pickup. The last piece that we got, boys. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. Oh, the last piece we got, boys. Oh my God. The Supreme basketball. Already pumped up for me. My God, man. I've never held one of these in person. I've never seen this in person. Let me tell you, there's gonna be so many display cabinets in the new Supreme room, and this is gonna be a centerpiece right here, man. Last time I checked, I think these go for like $350 at least. I'm pretty sure. I used to remember looking at them a while ago, and they were like 200. But I think last time, because I'm always on StockX just looking at prices and looking at a bunch of things, I think last time I saw this, it was like $250 or $350, something like that. Anyway, we got the Supreme. Is this legit? This has got to be legit. We got the Supreme basketball right here, boys. I can't remember what collab this was. I can't remember. It's got this man butterfly on it. Definition of John Wayne Gacy on a basketball. If y'all catch the reference or effed up like I am, he's a serial killer that did a lot of bad things to people, dressed as a clown, which made it kind of funny. Just that. That's a bad joke. Stupid. That's dumb. That's 3 pieces for this mystery box. Thank you so much, man. It's a Supreme Spalding. Yeah, I can't remember. You guys let me know what collaboration this is. This is absolutely unbelievable, man. That's it for the video, boys. If we didn't make it to 10 minutes, that's okay. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. There's one thing I actually want to talk about that I've been getting questions about a lot lately. Wow, I can't even stop looking at this. You guys let me know how I should display this. Yes. You guys been messaging me a lot about views, where the views have gone on the channel. Now, I've also been looking at this a lot, and there's a lot of different things that come into views dropping so substantially that I want to talk to you guys about, because luckily I have a management team where we can really look at the statistics and how YouTube works, and I finally got it back from them kind of what the issue might be. And I just want to kind of discuss it right now, because like, don't get me wrong, I haven't not noticed this, and I want to just talk. So anyway, the whole thing with the views, there's 3 main things here. One was huge when my channel got shut down. 2 weeks off YouTube is really, really crazy for a channel. It drops your views more than you'd think. I remember talking to Kais. He took a week off at one point, and he said ever since then, his views just dropped and they kind of stayed there for a bit. So that's one thing right there. Another thing which really pisses me off, because I got nothing to do about it, is when your channel gets terminated, with all the strikes that you had, YouTube doesn't share your stuff to the sub boxes as much. Like, they don't even share all of it in general, but they really cut down on it. They kind of feel it out for a little bit, apparently, until they see that your views will spike back up again. A lot has to do with notification. That's why I really try to preach it a lot in these videos. So once the notifications get okay, stuff like that, they start pushing your stuff. So I'm not really on the recommended feed as much anymore. It's not one of those sub boxes, yada, yada, yada. That just happens. We'll get past it. But another thing is, I gotta take the blame too. So I'm really trying to, it can't be just those things, you know what I mean? Of course, people just stop watching in general because of content and stuff. So I really want you guys to let me know what you really want to see. I've been really going to public stunts a lot because I love those. I think the videos turn out so well. They never get as many views as other videos, but I think that they come out really funny. So I've been trying to do a lot of that stuff. Also cutting out the fake stuff because I feel like people are just over it. I've been over it, which means my videos haven't been so good featuring fake things because I late doing it. But at one point it got views, so I kept doing it. You know what I mean? And I've also been working on just kind of giving you guys what you like in terms of unboxings, trying to pick up the editing. In my personal opinion, this past week of videos has been lit. I've loved my content lately. Unfortunately, the views can't show for that with all these factors going around. But the good thing with all this is, at one point, the subscription box will go up. At one point, I will find this niche again of what you guys want to watch. And at one point, the viewers that I lost through the 2 weeks gone or whatever like that will come back. So we're working on that. I wanted to keep you guys in the loop, real name brand, stuff like that. A lot of YouTubers won't share this with you because a lot of YouTubers don't want to show weakness. A lot of YouTubers don't want to show that they know about the views dropping. They don't want to talk about it, you know what I mean? Because it's going to leave a lot of discussion down below. I'm taking a lot of blame. There's also a lot of effed up things with sub boxes, especially after my termination. But we're coming back stronger than ever. My content's gonna be so strong. I'm really trying to do more public stuff. I think that those deserve more views, and I think they deserve more views than unboxing videos like this. However, they don't get that. But we'll work on it. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fans, real show. I'm marking the game the greatest of all time. I can't even believe this, dude. This is so sick. Thank you so much. You guys let me know if this mystery box is a win or an L. I'm gonna just tell you it's a win right now. For 300 bucks, my God, wow.